Hello, my name is Nick Lanelieb, and I will be presenting the Montana Weekly Hazard Briefing. If you are watching this after Monday, then you may wish to check the National Weather Service webpage or call any of the Montana National Weather Service offices for updates as conditions may have changed. Low pressure will strengthen over central Montana on Tuesday, possibly bringing another round of strong and gusty winds to the mountains and high plains of north central Montana Tuesday and Tuesday night. Strong winds could also develop over portions of south central Montana, affecting locations from Livingston to Springdale and Big Timber to Judith Gap. Wind gusts up to 65 miles per hour will result in strong crosswinds, making travel difficult, particularly for high-profile vehicles. A storm system and cold front will move across the state from north to south Wednesday and Wednesday night. This will bring widespread light snow to the state, along with a few areas of moderate snow. At this time, it appears locations north of the Missouri River in eastern Montana will see much lighter snowfall. North winds behind the front could bring wind chills as low as 20 below to locations near and east of the Continental Divide. Temperatures will fall to near or below zero for some areas behind the front. The temperatures will not be as cold as those experienced with the recent Arctic outbreak, and the duration of the event will be much shorter. Warmer air will begin to push into western and central Montana Friday, reaching far northeast Montana by Sunday. Looking ahead, the Climate Prediction Center shows an increased chance for above normal precipitation for the next few weeks over much of Montana, especially over northeast Montana. There is also an increased chance for above average temperatures next week over western and north central Montana. In summary, strong winds will develop over portions of north central Montana and possibly over south central Montana on Tuesday and Tuesday night. Wind gusts up to 65 miles per hour will result in strong crosswinds, making travel difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Colder air will push into the state from north to south Wednesday, bringing widespread light snow and much colder air to the state through Thursday. Temperatures will fall below zero over eastern Montana, and wind chills could approach 20 below, near and east of the Continental Divide. The cold spell will be short-lived, with warmer air pushing into western and central Montana on Friday, reaching far northeast Montana by Sunday. Thank you. If you have any questions or concerns, contact any of the 4 Montana National Weather Service offices.